Yo, welcome. I'm going to give y'all a real quick round of applause. If you've suffered as long as I've suffered, looking through forums, getting heated at not being able to find the answer, or anyways, whatever it is, if you've suffered as long as I've suffered, trying to find out how to install VMware on NixOS, I hope this video is the answer for you because this is what worked for me. So, anyways, let's get started. The first step number one, you need to do, you need to go to the Broadcom website. Now, and it's my personal belief that the B in Broadcom stands for billion. Not because they're $1 billion company, but because you need to jump through a billion hoops just to get to the download page for VMware. Now, you want to install VMware Workstation Pro for Linux, and you want to install the newest version. I tried older versions and it just didn't work. So make sure you download the newest version. Step number one. Step number 1. I'm going to try to do half a finger. 1.5. Once you have that downloaded, you want to go and place it in a folder or in a place where you're not going to easily delete it. Now, I haven't tested if, anyways, I haven't tested if deleting this after you've installed VMware causes an issue, but just to be safe, I put it in this folder called Programs, and I'm just going to leave it in there for the time being. If any of y'all test it and after you've installed VMware and then delete this and see if it still runs, put it in the comments, but I'm just going to leave it here for now, just to be safe. Anyways, once you've done that, step number 2, right? You are going to put this line, let me actually pull it up real quick. You're going to put this line right here in your NixOS config. Now, I think I already did that. I'm just going to double check. Yes, I did. So you're going to put virtualization.vmware.host.enable equals true. Now, before you rebuild your system, this is step number 3. Okay? Step number 3, you're going to have to add this file that we downloaded to your Nix store so that when we rebuild your system, Nix knows where to pull the installation files from. That's the way I am imagining it. Now, that might be wrong, but it works. So that's my best educational guess. So, anyways, the next step you need to do, open up a terminal. I'm going to move this over to the side. Open up a terminal, and let me make this just a little bit bigger. You're going to want to go to the folder or place that your program is saved in. I've got it saved in here. And you're going to want to do Nix store. Let me actually clear this out. So Nix store --add -fixed SHA 256 and then the file path, right? Boom! And you've done it. At this point, you rebuild your system and it should work. Now, I already set this up on my machine, so it may take a little bit longer on your end, but once you have that set up, step number 4 is you run it, because you're going to be, oh, I guess not. Sorry, I already set this up, so I forgot. But when you run it for the first time, it'll give you an error. Essentially, you need to reboot. So step number 4, after you've already rebuilt your system, reboot. Then, once you're back into your system, run VMware Workstation. So, anyways, hopefully that helps. Hopefully y'all didn't suffer as long as I did trying to figure out how to do this. So there you go. Hope y'all have a wonderful day. Take care, for real. Take care of yourselves. Eat some good food. Smell some good flowers, some good plants, and just take care of yourselves. See ya.